Today I have new package from H&M and I want to show you this set, summer outfit. This linen Bermuda shorts, stretchy top. I love it actually, it's look nice. Whole outfit look better with this belt and flip-flops. Also H&M, whole look from H&M. By the way guys, about this leather belt, this is size extra small and small, but I would say I usually have small size, but this one is pretty tight on me, you see. My waist is around 69 70 centimeters. Yeah, so I would say you need a little bit size up, because if you wanna go lower like that, you need bigger size, definitely, because it won't close. So yeah, this one definitely one size up if you like it and you want to order it. Next one, I want to show you this leather top from Zara. It's look nice, it fits pretty well. I would cover it, of course, with a jacket. So I like this outfit, and I have this long skirt. Not really comfortable, I would say. It's not stretchy because it's leather. Goes down all the time. Next one, I want to show you this windbreaker from H&M too, which is trend right now. Something like that. Yeah, this one is size medium. Oh no, this one is size small. I guess I will go one size bigger, because for me it's a little bit short on the sleeve. It's not short, but I just like more oversized, so I would definitely go one size bigger for me. Here you can adjust waist, make it shorter like that. If you're looking for a nice jacket, this one is pretty good. I like it, but I need bigger size. What do you think? Here's whole outfit with flip-flops. Also, we can pair it with these sweatpants, also from H&M. And I really like these flip-flops. So this is the final look. I'll show you. Like that. Pants are long. I am 5'8", so they are really long. Yes. I bought this top. And I will check these flip-flops again, it's a favorite. Okay, this is it. I love it. I love this top. This top from H&M. I like that it's stretchy, and this is size small. I intentionally ordered smaller size to make it more skinny fit. I didn't want to oversize, so Yeah, I think this look is awesome. What do you think? I'm like really like it. It's so classic and chic. You can wear it wherever, I don't know, work, coffee, restaurant. I don't know, I love it. When with these flip-flops, this is perfect. Tell me what you think. This skirt, if you have question about skirt, unfortunately this one is old collection of Zara 2 years ago. So yeah, they do not have this anymore. But I'm pretty sure you can find something similar. Just long skirt, like pencil skirt, maxi skirt, whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, I love this fit. I definitely will keep it. So this top has two colors, gray one and black. So I will order black one too, because I really like how stretchy it is, you see, and I really like how it fits. So yeah, I will link this top in the description, and if you want I can link these shoes again too, but wherever, I will link everything. So yeah, this top is everything. Also, I want to show you this long H&M top. You can pair it with pants or skirt, wherever you prefer. Open back inside. I'll show you the top like this. Same flip-flops. I won't keep it. It's too open for me, but it's stretchy material, really nice. Feels good on my body. So yeah, this metal detail will make it look nice here. Fancy outfit without even trying. Just whole look looks way more interesting than just simple jeans and top. So yeah, this top is making the outfit. So this is it for today. So today's package was not big, so yeah, see you next time. I have plans to order more H&M new collection and Zara. Some pieces I really look forward to try on. So bye.